Massive and crew, and welcome back to my channel. So this video explains the difference between the Jamaican accent and Jamaican Patois. The Jamaican accent involves speaking standard English with a unique tone. For example, if you listen to a Jamaican, a Trinidadian, and a Barbadian conversing in standard English, you will notice three distinct tones, allowing you to identify each Caribbean island. Therefore, the Jamaican accent is not patois. It is a unique tone associated only with Jamaica, because every Caribbean island has its own unique tone. Now let's examine how we pronounce and spell our words. Our English is based on British English, so we pronounce and spell some words differently from Americans. If you still don't understand, watch TVJ or CVM News. You will see the newscasters reading the news in standard English with a Jamaican accent. Alright, so I noticed this on social media platforms, especially YouTube, among the bloggers. Jamaicans who have migrated to the US, Canada, and England, whenever they are speaking or they are talking patois, the patois come out bold and blatant. But as soon as they are speaking, or I should say, as soon as they start speaking standard English, their accent changes to a foreign accent. So it's like they can't talk in standard English in the Jamaican accent, and I often wonder why. Anyway, Jamaican Patois is fluently spoken in Jamaica, even among the educated. However, it is not the Jamaican accent, okay? Another point to note is that we have 14 parishes in Jamaica, and some parishes speak different types of patois. Personally, I don't speak regular patois. Me talk street patois. You feel me? Yeah man, my patois them can Google and them can spell. You understand? Yeah, so me talk. So I hope you learn the difference between the Jamaican accent and the Jamaican patois, and you realize is that the Jamaican accent is not the Jamaican patois. You feel me? Yeah man, walk good until next time. Thanks for watching.